Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we will talk about very important subject, the Oracle Database 12c architecture. Actually, Oracle 12c released in 2013 and supporting cloud solutions. So when you find C, this means cloud. So 12c, which is mean 12 cloud. Let's talk about the architecture. It's very simple and easy. In the Oracle database 12c, you will find one big database called container database. So we have a root database, a big database. Inside this database, I will find pluggable databases. So there is only one big container database. Inside this database, I will have many pluggable databases. For example, if the name of the container database ORCL, maybe I will find, for example, pluggable database called PDB ORCL 1, 2, 3, 4. And each pluggable database has its own objects, own tables, applications. So this is the architecture for the Oracle database 12c. A container database, and usually the container database is a root database and not have any objects or any applications. So it's only a container. Okay, very nice. The person who manages the container database, it's called CDB administrator, container database administrator. The person who manages the pluggable database, we call it PDB administrators. This is not a common rules. Maybe one person can manage all these things, but usually there is a container database administrator and we have a pluggable database administrator. It could be one person, no problem. Okay, now what is the difference between this architecture and the previous release of Oracle? Okay, let's talk about this point. It's very simple and easy. Before Oracle 12c, for example 11g, you will find, for example, many databases, and these databases spread on servers. So you will find, for example, database 1 connected to server 1, database 2 connected to server 2, database 3 connected to server 3. So I have many databases, I have many servers, and this cost me a lot. And also I could have many DBA, many database administrators. Oh, this is the old release of Oracle. But starting from Oracle 12c, I will find one container database connected to a server, one server, and you can manage it by one DBA. Inside this container database, you will find many pluggable databases. So it reduced my cost. Here I bought 3 servers, but here only one server is enough. And I will find here many pluggable databases. So it make my life easy. It reduce and cutting cost and also easy to manage. When I make the backup for the container database, it's already I'm doing backup for the pluggable database 1 and 2 and 3. So it's make my life easy. Now another point, for example, let's say that in the pluggable database 3 there is a nice applications. So in a simple way, I can clone and copy this pluggable database and name it a pluggable database 4 and give it to another customers. So this is the power of Oracle 12c. It reduce cost. It make my life easy to manage the database. So this is the information that I want you to know today, and see you in the next lesson.